Lawyer Paul Gicheru has dismissed the International Criminal Court prosecutor's evidence, calling it hearsay that cannot sustain a case against him. In his new filings, the Kenyan lawyer argues the evidence presented before the court does not link him to witness tampering and bribery or any other charge as claimed by the prosecutor. Here's NTV's Brian Obuya.
Gicheru is accused of tampering with 8 witnesses. He denies it, but trial chamber judges found that the evidence produced by the prosecutor's office to support such charges. Gicheru argues that the prosecution is relying on witnesses who simply claim they heard or someone else told them something. This he calls flimsy and unfounded. In his filings, Gicheru says when all the reliably relevant facts are exposed to sunlight, given the space to breathe, and when the evidence is qualitatively assessed individually and holistically, the inevitable conclusion the trial chamber will have to reach is that he is not criminally responsible for the offenses of corruptly influencing witnesses. Gicheru further says that the office of the prosecutor's trial brief is rife with contradictory and inconsistent evidence. Although the prosecution says the witnesses corroborate each other, Gicheru, in his filing, say there has been no effort to substantiate those claims. With that and more in the 7-page trial brief, Gicheru's defense team argues none has proof that the Eldoret-based lawyer was actively involved in tampering or bribing witnesses who were to testify against Deputy President William Ruto and radio journalist Joshua Arap Sang in their cases against humanity following the 2007 post-election bloodbath. Gicheru's lawyer says that Mr. Gicheru categorically rejects and contests everything contained within the 4 corners of the decision of the confirmation of charges, that he is not guilty of any of the confirmed charges. Central to the trial facing Gicheru are witnesses who recanted their evidence against Ruto and Sang at the ICC on claims that they were offered kickbacks of between 500,000 and 2 million. Gicheru has faulted the trial chamber judge, claiming that the judge adopted the prosecution's narrative without considering glaring gaps in the witnesses and their testimonies. Brian Obuya, NTV.